Ayan, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome here at Max Fave. Again, meron tayong i-review approved by seller our sample, okay? So, hindi ko pa po ito nagagamit, so I will try it now. I-review ko siya, then let's check it. Sa box pa lang guys, mabango na. Okay. Wow. Wow, nice. Alam mo, ito siya, girly eh, no? Wow, nice. Ito pala siya. Bestseller siya, no? Nakikita ko siya sa TikTok, that's why I just tried. Na-approve tayo ni seller. No? Hindi ko pa siya na-open, pero mabango na siya. What more pa kaya, no? Hindi ko pa siya na-press, mabango na. Takip lang, mabango na. Para siyang sweet, no? Okay, let's try. Oh, parang siya, no? Wow, mabango siya. I like. Super. Super sweet. Not that sweet, okay? But, siguro pag nag-spray ka nito, good. Mabango siya guys, para kang laging bagong ligo. Oh, sweet. For everyday use, grabe, I will recommend you this. Super, not that super sweet, but it's sweet, okay? Mabango siya guys, parang pag, ayan oh, alam mo yung pagdadaan ka, lilingon sila. Wow. So try it now. Malaki pa. Ayan, it's very affordable guys. So check my link down below. Thank you. Thank you seller.